we'll continue to have this session for many, many more years to come. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know what to say. Honestly, I don't know what to say, but I'm very, very happy to see you all, as I mentioned. As far as Sabah is concerned juga, kan, there's no issue. We are doing very, very well this year. Just for kamu punya information, I believe this must be kamu punya prayer juga to Sabah Credit. We actually overshoot kita punya target by almost 70% this year. Banyak kerja juga lah. So we anticipate next year pun mungkin because I believe election year kan, there are a lot of government punya contract yang mau kasih keluar, which we are trying to help the contractor, the small time contractor yang class F tu kan, because if we are able to help them, kasih dorang financing, hopefully dorang boleh complete the project. The project is for the benefit of the people juga lah, kan? Regardless apa orang punya political affiliation, race, religion, di mana, but the important thing, the project given is for the benefit of the community at large. So kebanyakan kita tengok when they got the contract, they don't have money to do the contract, pinjam along. When they involve in along, that's it. Bukan lagi orang bayar, dapat orang punya payment, orang bayar lebih lagi pergi along. So that's how we come in and help them, kasih them better facilities and all these things. Yeah. So next year there will be more, I believe, to come lah. Next year also, coincidentally or not coincidentally, Sabah punya 70th anniversary. Yeah. So we have by 15th of June next year we complete the 70 years of ACC in Sabah. Yeah. So I think it's a good sign juga kalau after 70 years this organization still running, stronger, stable as usual, able to help everybody and all these things lah. So as you all know juga kita punya slogan, Sabah punya slogan is hope, share and grow, together we make a difference. We give hope to everybody, not only to our clients but also to our staff, to the people outside, masyarakat. And then likewise kita juga semua di sini, we give hope that there is a place for us together once a month. Kalau boleh, maybe in next year we look into, maybe we can do twice a month, right? We don't know, right? God willing, we will do that. Yeah? So we give hope to everybody. And then we talk about sharing, share pun begitu juga. Whatever that we have, we share. Right? The facilities yang kita ada sini, the profit that we are making, part of it we also take and share with the people, to the hospitals, to the orang-orang kampung and all these things, and we share. Yeah, hopefully that after we share, then together we can grow, and sama-sama kita grow, regardless of whatever our background. Yeah, because that's one way that we need to preserve our beloved country. So the orang bilang there is no line between us. We are all equally Sabahans or whatsoever. Let's enjoy our stay in Sabah. Let's build Sabah together and also think whatever we can do for Sabah Credit, that we can share, then we'll share and we grow together. Yeah. At the end of the day, as I said, we make a difference. So a lot of say that we are different from the rest of the country and whatsoever. Yes, we are different because the sharing that we have, the growing together that we have, and the hope that we give to our younger generation, to our people, the community, is the one what makes us different. Yeah. So ACC also is like that lah. We give hope to everybody, we share what we have, and then we grow together. So hopefully we make a difference. Kalau kita make a difference, hopefully other agencies also can follow and take us an example. So that we are able to appreciate each other, we are able to harmonize our country, we are able to move forward together. Tiada lagi gaduh-gaduh begitu ini kan, so move forward only like that. So no other issues into it. Yeah. So well, again, as I said, I'm very pleased to see you all. I know I'm very sorry. A lot of company function I was not able to attend because I had to be here and there. Yeah. Mungkin because today is the last day of the year, so tiada apa-apa mau pergi, so I'm here only. And by right, I'm supposed to be on leave since the 20th until end of the year. Tapi since 20th sampai now, I'm still in office. But it's a good holiday. And obviously I miss my staff, I miss you all, kan. When they inform me, they like, ada Warga Emas punya function, this. I said, alamak, I'm traveling here, I'm there, here, there. And so, but anyway, I'm happy bila I get the feedback from them. You all enjoy the time, apa semua, kan. So that is most important to me, yeah. And with the hope that the next session I'll be able to see you all again and we can share things together and whatsoever. Yeah. So that's basically what I can share with you. And that I would say thank you for all coming of prayer and all coming of blessing to SCC and to each other. Yeah. And also thank you to make SCC lively. Yeah. Lively. I said lively because SCC is about people. It's not about the building. Yeah? So if we talk about SCC, the younger generation saja tidak ngam juga, kan? Ada mid, ada yang ada juga sini. So we learn from each other, kan? Yeah, and so if God willing, I said we'll continue this thing, as long as we can. Yeah. So once again, on behalf of my family, Warga Sabah, including our board of directors, yeah, and myself, we wish you a Merry, blessed Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Hopefully, we pray that the Almighty continue to give us good health all throughout our life, more joy, more happiness, more love, more harmonies, and obviously not forgetting more prosperity. Yeah, all of us. Thank you very much and Merry Christmas.